You've arrived at the Mill Stream Diversion, Stop 13 along the Bronx River Walk, sponsored by the Friends of Westchester County Parks. This is where you can imagine how important the Bronx River was to industry. Back in the 1800s, the river wasn't admired for its beauty so much as for its potential water power. Various mills were built along the river, grist mills for grain, sawmills for lumber, and a stone mill. At this Mill Stream Diversion, you can picture how it worked. At this point, some of the water from the river was diverted to a secondary channel by sluices, gates that control the passage of water into the channel. These gates allowed the millers to regulate the water flow. The water traveled along the channel to the mill, where the force of the flow turned the blades of big wheels. The wheels were connected to attachments that operated machinery. The water that doesn't get diverted at this point tumbles down a small waterfall. You can sit on the bench and enjoy the sounds of the rushing water. The iron grating bars you see in the water help stop debris from floating down the channel. A turnstile makes it possible to divert the river should the dam need repair. This diversion to the pond and stone structure was in existence when acquired by the Commission. The structure housed a small water wheel that pumped water to a storage tank, then to a formal pool and fountain. Known as Fountain Terrace, the area featured tennis courts, flower gardens, and a formal concrete reflecting pool with a fountain. Much of this changed with the construction of the new Fenimore Avenue Bridge in the 1960s. Become a friend of Westchester County Parks to preserve the Bronx River Parkway Reservation for future generations.